Yo guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today guys, we are jumping into meditation. So, even though this is a gaming channel, I'm sure most of you want to become better gamers, and not gonna lie, but I think gamers and a lot of people that are really big on the media, they need meditation, and I think everybody needs to start doing this so it could just help you relax and focus better. Now, how could this apply to gaming? How does this work for me? Well, see, the thing is that when you're streaming, there's a lot going on in your head, right? And if you don't know, it's the fact that could the viewers hear me? Is my stream still on? Did my stream crash? This and this. These things happen a lot to everybody, and there's so many things in your head, right? And reading the chat and focusing on a game, it's overwhelming. Especially because I actually focus on my chat. I actually read the comment section. And it gets tough, it gets stressful, so you get the idea. The thing is, though, is that, you know, that really messes up your brain. That takes so much focus away from gaming. Sometimes some people come into my chat trolling. This just makes me want to, no offense, just stop, turn off the chat. I probably will in the future, though, but um, it gets too much, and I can't focus on the game. Like, I went from just dominating, carrying my team to being the worst player in my team. Why? Because of troll or because of somebody in my chat room. Now, why gamers need this as well is because it improves your focus. Meditation will actually help improve your focus. Staying in one spot, not moving, not doing anything, and focusing on your breathing will help relax your mind. You will not think about anything, at least you will try to. If you keep thinking about something, if you can't stop thinking, well, eventually you're going to get stressed out. Meditation lowers your stress. Meditation will allow you to relax. It pretty much takes you out of the picture. It takes you out of the box. That's the best way of saying it. That's what you need. That's kind of what I've been doing, right? Like meditating, right? There's all kinds of ways, right? Laying down or doing the whole sit down and, do the hand figure thing on your hand, whatever it is, the sign. Um, there's so many things, but it's best to just sit down or whatever it is, lay down, relax, and this will help you be calm. This will help you relax, right? Reducing that brain chatter is a big thing as well, right? Like whatever's going on in your head is going to distract you from being a better gamer, right? And not only that, but that will get in your life, right? Like we're in times right now where I don't think society has ever been pushed so hard, right? And this does impact, I think, everyone. I think it does. I think everybody is impacted from this. Now, obviously, when you start meditating, right? Because now you know it's worth it, right? You definitely want to do it. It doesn't matter, right? Like people that suffer from certain things absolutely need this, especially if it's stress or anything else. You absolutely need to start meditating. With the way the world is and the way things are going to be going, the direction is probably going to get worse. Hopefully not, but it might. I think it will. Um, all you gotta do is take a seat down, 5 to 10 minutes. You could listen to something or just be 100% quiet, which is better. No thinking, no moving. Focus on your breathing. Focus on anything. Just wander off. Let your mind wander off. And feel your breath and everything. Simple. You will be meditating. Do it for even a few minutes. Do it for a few minutes. Seriously. There is no limit to meditating. You can go an hour if you want to. And by all means, you will come out a completely different person. This has absolutely made me a better gamer. Now, when I was younger, I used to have like a 0.5 KD. I was a kid, right? When I turned 18, I was like the average gamer, right? Maybe better. 19, I wasn't gaming too much. 20, I was gaming my butt off. My skill improved. I played a lot, but then I started to like wake up and everything, and wake up in the world. That was like 19, early 20, and you get the idea. Meditation, relaxing, going within in. It just completely just made me way better. It's sometimes when I'm gaming, it feels like I'm, aimbotting because it's like I think about becoming a better gamer, right? Like I'm basically manifesting my thoughts. It's really weird to say this, but that's kind of what I'm doing. I think of aimbotting, and then I practically picture myself doing it in my head, right? And then when I go and play the game, my aim just becomes way better. Now that might sound really weird to people, but it's just really how I've gotten much better. People always say my aim is much better. It's insane. What the hell, you know? And it's like I think about doing it before I even do it. This just shows just we're more powerful than what you guys think. So basically this video is here just to help you guys realize, will help you become better gamers and also help you take down your stress because the world is tough. Things are getting crazy. And I want you all to wake up. Thanks all for watching. See you guys in the next video.